Good morning everyone, how are you all and welcome back to another vlog. Anyways guys, today's vlog, actually I haven't planned for this day actually. Yeah, but I have two things to go on with it. One, I bought the drone, and the second one, I bought the gimbal. So I'm gonna test it over here. I actually found the place where no one is over here. There's no cars, so it's an empty place, so I could easily test it over here. So yeah, let's do this now. Before testing it, I want to tell you guys something, that I'm not a professional. It's my first time that I'm doing it with a drone, and I'm gonna make it up only on the iPhone 7 Plus, which I have right now. So yeah, maybe the result is not going to be so good, but let's do this and let's see how it's gonna be. I have to make it up now. Okay, I think this view is better, so I'm gonna start it from over here. And maybe I don't have the microphone, so I'll just gonna put some music. This first I have to connect this drone. Okay, now the setup is done. I connected on my cell phone, so I'm gonna test it up now.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Anyways guys, I'm done with it. Actually I don't know, it's not working because I dropped it 2 or 3 times. Either it's running out of the battery or either it's damaged. I don't know. If it's going to be damaged, I'm gonna put it in the guarantee. I have the 1-year guarantee of it. So yeah, now it's time to test the gimbal. Oh my bad. These 2 toys are like insane. It's good for the people who know how to vlog, who know how they can use these products. And I'm not so professional, so I don't know, I'm still learning, but today experience was kind of like different. Soon with a new vlog. Till then, take care. Japan. Bye bye. Sayonara. Bye.